In most cases, sexual assault is a state crime, but sometimes it happens under federal jurisdiction. In United States v. James, the Ninth Circuit was tasked with interpreting a federal sexual assault statute. T.C. was 28 with severe cerebral palsy. She was unable to care for herself and needed help with daily living activities. She couldn't walk without assistance and had to be lifted into and out of her wheelchair. T.C. was mostly nonverbal, but could grunt and move her head to indicate yes or no. Her full-time caretaker and family members often had difficulty understanding her, although she could sometimes cry and show anger. One afternoon, an aunt found Christopher James having sex with T.C. at T.C.'s grandparents' home on the Fort Apache Reservation. The aunt called an ambulance to take T.C. to the hospital. T.C. didn't respond to a nurse's efforts to communicate with her. An investigator who interviewed T.C. couldn't communicate with her either, although he videotaped their interaction. Because the alleged assault occurred on the reservation, federal statutes applied. A federal grand jury indicted James for sexual abuse. T.C. couldn't testify at trial, but her caregiver, family members, the nurse, and the investigator testified. The prosecution played the investigator's videotape. The jury convicted James, but the district court granted James's motion for acquittal on the grounds that there was insufficient evidence to support a conviction. The district court entered a judgment of acquittal. The government appealed to the Ninth Circuit.